Many people think that family law litigation is too aggressive, and some even say you should only use that method as a last resort. That might be true, and negotiating an agreement certainly has many advantages, but it is not always possible. You need a mechanism and a tool to bring the two sides together. My name is Weiss from Aussie Divorce. I understand the term going to court for many of you is intimidating for many reasons, such as not knowing what to expect, and it is too expensive. But going to court is often a necessary step, especially initially in application, in order to speed up the negotiation process by putting deadlines in place. It forces people to talk. Family law litigation is essentially about completing a prescribed set of things to do before successive court events. There are 3 stages for you to think of, and each stage you have the opportunity to settle the differences. One is prevention. So before you can apply, all courts require some degree of effort towards the use of a family dispute resolution methods, and your lawyers are also obligated to go through the process. Number 2 is post-filing. Now this is when you're going to court. The court its focus is really to look at what is outstanding in terms of dispute, what you don't agree on. And they do it by holding a procedural hearings in order to define the real issues or the real differences. They assign the steps and orders for certain things to happen by certain dates, and they investigate the prospects for resolving the dispute. Fantastic system to have. Participation in the family dispute resolution attempt in this stage is mandatory, but it also would last for many months. Stage 3 is really determination if the dispute resolution fails. So the whole focus shifts towards collection, discovery, and disclosure of evidence needed for the court to make an independent decision. This is where litigation starts. The determination phase concludes with a judgment and cost award, if any, after the trial. Now, this video is not a substitute for a sound legal advice. Nothing really substitute for speaking to a lawyer directly. Only a lawyer can give you advice on your rights and obligations and the best way to resolve your family dispute. However, in the end, it is your money, it is your divorce, it is your future. So you got to do it right. Selecting the right lawyer is very important. But again, initiating an application in court is a tool that lawyers use to force the other side to the negotiation table. Before you actually end up in a trial, you'll have plenty of opportunities and events that really will force the two sides to talk, to try to narrow down the differences.